As time goes on, air pollution is getting worse. But indoor air can be even more polluted than outdoor air. Natural ventilation can waste energy, but LG ERV provides fresh air from outdoors and removes polluted air while collecting heat energy. LG energy-saving technology and heat recovery provide fresh indoor air while reducing energy consumption up to 40% compared to natural ventilation. During cooling season, if outdoor temperatures are cooler than indoor temperatures, cooler outdoor air is supplied indoors. Also, when outdoor air is cooler at night, warm air can be removed from indoors and cool air can be supplied from outside. When both systems are on, ERV operation is suspended so that target temperatures can be reached faster and energy loss is reduced. CO2 sensors detect the CO2 level in the room. The fan speed is automatically adjusted depending on the CO2 level indoors to maintain comfortable indoor air. In addition, application of LG ERV air filters prevents fine dust from getting indoors. Filtered air is supplied indoors while polluted indoor air is removed. Experience clean and fresh indoor air with the LG ERV Ventilation Solution.